and under the pier, the lads would be smoking and drowning in beer. Just up above them, pavilion hall, old folk were gathered, having a ball. The town would be busy on some Friday nights. There'd always be discos and there'd always be fights. Over the pebbles where the sand meets the sea, dancing with seagulls is where I'd be. Dancing with seagulls was my favorite game. It captured my idle thoughts and of the pain of the long, lonely evenings. I would be free, dancing with seagulls as they dance with me. Our dance floor soft underfoot. We danced by the light of the low-lying moon, and the music, the songs that my dance partners made, and the time would stand still as we danced and played. Dancing with seagulls was my favorite game. It captured my idle thoughts and of the pain of the long, lonely evenings. I would be free, dancing with seagulls as they danced with me. So much has happened since I was a kid. The memories fade of the things that I did. But dancing with seagulls, those long, lonely nights will live to remind me the rest of my life of the pain and the hurting of not being free, and the long, lonely search for what really was me. And now that I've found him, and now that I'm free, I remember dancing the seagulls.